you can just check on my description on YouTube. Check on my description. I already put my Telegram and WhatsApp. Check on my description. You can see my number. Oh my god, I hate the mosquito. Did you see? Go to my YouTube and check my description. Are you single mom? Maybe we can talk there about that. We can talk there about that. Not here.